Branton announcing the presence. Say, Okoya Wasaba, Oshe go, and defender extraordinaire. Samba O'Neil and Dongani. Honestly, the goes in the back of the Kama Kotoko Shamiansa. Holy Stars and Timmy Antina Kamzito. Osina Mian Queni and Marina. Over a Tima. Alfonso Holy Stars. Then
well, I'm more than happy that we've won today. It's been long, so many weeks, trying everything possible to win a game. But I'm very happy today. We'll be able to score 3 beautiful goals. I'm very happy. Well, we responded against the Benin Stars. We were even faster than today. Yes, you know, the weather is too distant today, more than last week. And it's not easy playing in such weather. Yes, I think there is continuation of what happened at BBNE, but the difference here is we were more focused in goal scoring than BBNE because it wasn't easy at BBNE. But we do all the attacking, we do everything. I think today we were better in goal scoring than we played in BBNE. So I'm very happy at the end of the day, we've started by 3 goals.
Okay, and to Samba Kaya, Abraham's in a meeting. I'm catch a team in the coach in Nazaluk. Yamamu 3 matches. When you know, because performance now the mind.
I'm the passer.
And Koyi.
I'm the passer you've come from the angle because I want to know.
And Mekaisa who can say, and never trigger him, no. And they show against Gold Stars.
Good.
And the coach say, so we gave one boy now. Yes. They responded.
Good. And tell me the part because that was what I was basically going to say. Say, Uti will be speaker. Now, but the communication as here is about the keywords now use. At the end of my coach Zito, I can say we responded in the game against BBNE. And no cranny a bobo pa by Yentinia, but we know we were more focused on getting the ball into the net and we are able to score 3. So we tell the full interview now. Coach Zito class omo bobo BBNE chido omo ball and run.
But no
goes no a buyer. And last time I catch you say, Rich, there were some coaches beer. They work under pressure. Ubo mujana. And a moment to me here, Jumano. And it seems as soon as it was here. One money Jano Kotoko, he become too relaxed. Maybe opponent in all. Look, after Kotoko share Bechem 6, no more winning game baby. Until they needed to win against Basake. Na Kotoko need anything say also Moshe. Now, the last time I catch you BM say if Coach Karim Zito, I can say the concentration on the team, say a better is to go to Adakwajache and train on how to score goals. Then he is missing the point. His concentration should be on training boys to create quality chances. And no against Basake. How many quality chances na Kotoko create here? Baby! And when you are able to create quality chances, Rich, me say, Uchimini ya said dien, ebi beto nets. Until the same Kotoko team na also say, oh, minister can say to me, Shano. And when the chances were quality enough, look at the spectacular goals of Moshe. She cross your core box cinema, morphine those who MSA, Abet Amoah, a boss, Zaki in Eshe. She Abet Amoah. Ne technique now the passing ball no man Kwame Poku e man the ball no she look at Samba in Dongani go no saying and other miss chance Kotoko nyae. Look, always make sure say you train your team to produce more SGs, more creative chances, quality ones. And with the quality of our team, you may be able to score. Before Fifi Babano, Rich, media mafono,
Omajili,
they are. Who say every week be mobile?
Okay.
Every week piano. They are telling Obia say look. So trying some tough mama be Sam who they are. Oh no.
What is going on?
I think the last time out against 2 sides on home form near solid, Adriana and Karela. So that's I'm not surprised. And starting still at 7 to say 8. See, that's what I also wanted to come from. May a very moved by Mediama because again meaning how formidable a side a Karela team if they come away from home and to beat them emphatically. Adriana didn't close. They are 1-1 to the dying numbers and Adriana nye winner no. This one it was an emphatic win 3-1 against Karela.
Yeah. Was it after share 2 na on better ba. easy.
Yeah.
Now the game became scary. Omunya third goal na ma.
I'm settled down. So, I think Mediama have done a good job. Until carry on, they are going to go on and win. I don't want to give too much credit to Karim Zito now on the Kotoko win against Baseke. The 3 games were good games. They were winnable games. Maybe stars there, but apart from that, yeah, they were winnable games that Kotoko always were going to win. I think that Enra not focusing too much on Kotoko game any almost strength, the quality of Albert Amoah showed again. And Fiifi, it shows it. Oba, he doesn't need time. He doesn't need 2 weeks. Doesn't need 3 weeks. Obana, he settles in. The technical ability of Kita, the chance creation again for Kwame Poku chance no Boshe, and that's Lamine Yamal Boha volley. Ashena Albert Amoah Boha volley also here to score. So it tells you that he's a quality player. For me, Albert yesterday was an important player for Kotoko Forum, but Kotoko still needs to do more because the league is there for Kotoko too. Yes, Mediama are doing well. But Kotoko can also win the league, and it takes just a few things to do to be able to get a win. And Ghana Premier